Right, we are all at Heta for the launch of the new Ambition 4 stove, which is a lovely little unit. It's exactly really like an Ambition 5, except it is narrower in width, more akin to an Inspire 40. But this particular unit is wood burning only as opposed to multi-fuel. The stove behind me is refitted with a black handle rather than the stainless steel, but the stainless steel is the standard option with black being an optional extra. And I have to say the Ambition is one of my all-time favourite units, both as the 5 and the 8 kilowatt model. It's just so clean burning, so classical, beautiful big glass panel, very understated for what it is and does its job brilliantly well. It's also one of the cleanest stoves I have ever used because the firebox drops down right low in the inside and your fuel sits really low in the inside of the unit. Now this had gone out, so it's only just starting to clear down again because I've put some more logs in it and blagged some video time space on this. So what you will see is this is the black handle, which is typically air cooled but did get hot. Apparently the black handles get hot because it absorbs the heat, whereas the stainless handles in these really don't. It's hot enough that not too hot that most people can still touch it because it is air cooled. It's got a hole at the bottom and a hole at the back at the top. And I don't find the silver one gets hot. That bit does, but the rest doesn't. The black handle does get much hotter to the touch. But these are an optional extra and approximately £100 extra for a black handle if you want one. Performs exactly like the Ambition 5. It's got a lovely big plate glass. And I'm hoping they can do one that's slightly lower because this is 600ml, but we're hoping we can get it down to about 570 or slightly under before release. But it's just gorgeous. And a really nice glass view. And I am so looking forward to getting these in. Anyway, better go with it. All right.